Good morning. Welcome to CupO'Forex. This is your daily video analysis for Friday, the 19th of September. Let's get into it. Already coming out of China was news that Beijing has cut their repo rate by 20 basis points to 3.5%. This is the first time that China has done a major move to try to stimulate their economy. It had an immediate impact on their local benchmark index to Shanghai, as well as other Pacific Rim equity indexes like the Australian ASX and the Nikkei, as well as commodities like gold, copper, and aluminum. We'll be looking at some of that when we do our technical analysis. Let's take a look at our economic calendar. As always, it's on our front page towards the bottom. Very convenient. Japan today has some data coming out. Nothing really high impacting coming out all day. It's a fairly quiet day. Out of Japan, we have the all industry activity index coming out, the coincident index, and the leading economic index. We'll be watching some of this data closely, especially all activity index, which contracted its last print. We're expecting that now to come out at 0.4%. Also coming out later on today in about 10 hours from the United States will be the CB leading indicator month on month. We're expecting that to print a little bit lower, 0.4% today. So in about an hour from now, Japan will start releasing data, and we'll be seeing if their economy is starting to expand again. We've had some difficulty from their last tax hike in April, which has slowed the economy a little bit. I'd like to take a look at some technical analysis now. Let's get started with some technical analysis. As I mentioned, China raised its or lowered its repo rates today by 20 basis points. The Shanghai already had a reaction to it. As you can see here, the immediate bullish candle up. We've been trading in a bit of a range from the support down at 2,280 to about as high as 2,350. It's another technical level that we've been watching. As you can see, the bearish candle here. This is the result of investors really worrying about whether or not China is coming into a hard landing or not. So China slashing its repo rate today was a positive sign. As you can see, investors immediately reacted, and the Shanghai inched up a bit higher. We have a bullish candlestick formation forming here, so we should be watching this index closely. I also want to take a look at the dollar to yen. The dollar is still inching higher against the yen. We had another high here, now at around 109.260. Above that, we have the next resistance level at about 109.500 that we're watching. Looks like the dollar is continuing to soar higher here. Let's watch this. Plus, the news out of China really helped us today. I also want to take a look at gold. Gold has been interesting. It's been weak as of late. As you can see, the medium-term trend line showing a bearish pattern. We broke below this level, primarily because money has been going back into the dollar index. China slashed its repo rate today, and we see a bullish candle starting to form, and we move to 1,226.35. We are still below the medium trend line. We have a key technical resistance level of 1,240. I think we need to move back above before we go really bullish in this pair. I want to thank everyone for listening. Have a great day trading and a wonderful weekend. As always, please click subscribe on our YouTube channel to continue getting our videos sent right to your email. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.